here in beautiful Sydney Harbour. What a great backdrop for a bike check, eh? Alright guys, look, I'll start up top. I'm running Eastern Tranny bars, 875 rise, 29 wide. Eastern riblet crank, grips. Run a black, a yellow one. Don't know why, just do. Got a prototype alone stand. Mate Bryce Smith hooked me up with that 5 minutes before the show. Broke mine this morning. I got demolition Concord bolts. Go down to cranks. We've got the Gira 22mm 175 length. Shadow plastic pedals. Colony Chris Condon sprocket. To wheels, run G-Sport 3K rims. Heads for free coaster cassette. Front hub is a proper micro light. 13 double butted spokes. Odyssey Bluebird chain. Stay strong seat mode. To tyres, I run the Maxxis DTH on the front. Demolition Momentum on the rear. Run a gyro, Colony gyro, with Shadow through Zancy brake and brake lever. My favourite feature for this year, Rim Reaper 8, 20.5 top tube. It's really responsive frame, I really like it. I'd like to give a shout out to Big Air School for having me here at this beautiful event for the shows. Eastern Bikes Australia. Laser helmets, keep my head safe. And some ton of eyewear. Spend clothing for keeping me fresh all the time. Head to their Instagrams, give them a like, give them a follow, and stay tuned for more. Cheers.